Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the new Dred Effects application station. Now I've set up a load of bits. Now these videos are all down to you guys. You have to get involved in the comments. Now it's your comments I will go through on these videos. You get to pick what video you want to see. So if you're struggling with something or you want to see a video on things, drop your comments and I'll pick the most popular and make a video. So the videos that are available that will be coming up that you can choose in the comments, there will be metal flake videos, so I can take you through how to metal flake with the flake buster, how to apply the surface binders to do it. We can clear coat over it as well, so I can show you that. So metal flake videos available. Thinning your paints down. If you're struggling with thinning your acrylics down and things like that, I can show you flow improvers, different ways to thin your paints down to get transparent and things like that, so we can do that. We've got a variety of paints, so if you wanted to see specific colours on how they look, we're going to be spraying plastic spoons, guys. I'm going to get a load of plastic spoons. It's got a nice curved surface on it, and I can show you what shimmers, chameleons, flip paints, base coats look when they're applied, so you get to see it on the colours. So if you're looking at buying paints, I've got most of the paints so you can see it first hand. The different colours gives you a little look into sort of what colour ranges you can get and things like that. We can do videos on stencils, things like texture stencils. I can take you through how to make your own cheap stencils to get textures, hair textures for portraits and things like that. I can take you through a grayscale, making your own grayscale mix from a black and a white. I can take you through and show you how you can make your own grayscale if you want to get into grayscale portraits. That one's available. Fine lines, different masking tapes, things like that. If you want to see a video on all your different applications of like different tapes, like low tack tapes, all the different variety of like tapes, I've got all them, so we can do a video on that. Airbrushes. As you know, I'm a big holder of airbrushes, so I've got a lot of the Iwaters, the Creos, H&S, cheap brushes, the little electric brushes. I've got another compressor. If you wanted to see like a portable compressor, I can take you through an up close video on that. These will all be filmed on the cap cam, so you will see it like this. You'll just see my hands and I'll be chatting and talking you through and showing you the application in front of the extractor, so it's all up close, so you get to see it nice and up close and personal. You will have videos on transferring your images, on how to do that, how to cut stencils out and things. So these are the sort of videos that are available, so it all goes down to you guys. Get involved in the comments. Put your comment down on the sort of video that you'd like to see. These videos will be about 15 to 20 minutes long, and I'll give you as much help, advice and input in these videos as I possibly can. So I hope you've enjoyed this little intro to what's coming up. Get involved in the comments, guys. If you're new to the channel, click that subscribe. Don't forget to click that notification button, because it could be your video coming up that you'll put down in the comments, so you won't miss out if you click the notification. Drop us a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next episode. Cheers, guys.